Art is all around us in our daily lives. From we wake up in the morning till we go to sleep at night, we're surrounded by design and golden ratios. Every tiny little village with a bit of dignity employs good architects. There's a designer for every 10-cent plastic cup. But we call them architects and designers, not artists. And is that because they don't produce art?
I think really good architects and good designers can also create pieces of art.
Everything you can see has a little bit of art.
I like art when you see that the artist is driven.
We are living for art. Imagine everything exactly. It's not nice to live in a world without art.